The passage of the Constitution of Zimbabwe Amendment Number 3 Bill, now widely known as SCAP 3, through both houses of Parliament in June 2026 represents a defining watershed in the tortuous landscape of Zimbabwe post-colonial politics. The war after the coup, Chiwenga's battle for Zimbabwe's throne is far from over. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. On the surface, the legislative piece appears to be a decisive, perhaps terminal, blow to the presidential ambition of Vice President Chiwenga by elongating the electoral cycle from 5 to 7 years and effectively deferring the next general election from 2028 to 2030. President mnangagwa engineered a masterful constitutional maneuver. This legislative shift not only extends the incumbent's tenure, but also fundamentally dismantles the transition timeline that many within the ruling ZANU-PF and the wider security establishment assume was set in stone. The direct popular vote for the presidency is replaced by a system of parliamentary selection, a structural reconfiguration that consolidates executive control over the succession process while shielding the incumbent from the volatile arena of public plebiscites. For the casual observer, the political obituary of the former military commander who orchestrated the November 2017 coup is ready to be written. Yet, an interrogation of Zimbabwe's deeply non-linear political history suggests that writing such an obituary is not only premature, but risks misinterpreting the very nature of power in Harare, where constitutional text frequently serve as mere opening gambits in much longer subterranean conflicts. Doma developments are good pangwa ene. Recommend section medals of full animal to give on the page to each. Subscribe or like, or join on the bell icon.